Hey my good friends, Sam Haymart for Test Driven TV. Finally on the way to the United States is the all-new 2019 Volkswagen Arteon, the replacement for the CC that's larger, has more premium features and design, and now fits well above the Passat in the model lineup, here in the United States anyway. Our first full look, coming right up. To be one of the only Volkswagens actually manufactured in Germany that we can buy in the United States, the all-new 2019 Arteon was unveiled at the Chicago Auto Show and arrives later this year to replace the sporting and upscale CC with a much larger car. Retaining the CC's coupe-like roofline, the new Arteon grows in wheelbase some 5 inches from the CC's to 111.9. Its overall length and width is increased as well, but with short overhangs for a sportier stance, it remains virtually the same size and footprint as the US market Passat sedan. Based off Volkswagen's award-winning MQB architecture that's fast underpinning everything they make, the new Arteon will however ride above the Passat in price and feature content with a more upscale vibe in its exterior trims and fitments like 18 and 19-inch alloy wheels and a full standard LED lighting program from headlamps to tail lamps. The interior follows the same design ethos we've seen in the latest Volkswagen models with a plain and angular layout with thin and crisp form. Materials are said to be of a premium selection and technologies offered will be as good as the brand has. These will include availables like a full-screen virtual cockpit instrument cluster, top-end touchscreen infotainment and audio system with navigation. Fender Audio has exited the building though, and high-end VWs now get a system called Dyne Audio. Hopefully it sounds just as good. LED ambient mood lighting as well as heated and ventilated Nappa leather seats with a massage function can now be optioned. Leatherette heated seats will be standard equipment. An optional panoramic sunroof will keep it light and airy when you want it. Powering the 2019 Volkswagen Arteon in the US will be only one engine, a highly tuned variation of the brand's 2-liter turbocharged and direct-injected 4-cylinder. With 268 horsepower and 258 pound-feet of torque, it'll come with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Of course, a standard engine auto start-stop system is included whether you want it or not to improve fuel efficiency. Front-wheel drive is standard, and you can option the 4Motion all-wheel drive on all of its available trim grades. The TDI engine will never be available in the US ever again, so don't be waiting for it. Headlining the features will be a laundry list of technologies for driving and driving assistance like forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking and blind spot monitor with cross-traffic alert as standards. Optional, of course, will be all the rest of the stuff like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and so much more. The Arteon, like all Volkswagens, now comes with what they call America's best bumper-to-bumper warranty, which is now 6 years and 72,000 miles for those of you who equate VW with a check engine light. Alright my friends, there you have it for the 2019 Volkswagen Arteon. Pretty handsome rig, and I will point out here that if you look, they've actually put genuine exhaust tips on this one, not the fake ones that all the other most recent Volkswagens have had. So either they've changed their mind on this and sort of gone the other direction, or this is just a premium product and that's how it goes. That said, obviously a test drive is in order, and that'll probably come late this year. Until then, click right here, see our latest video, or click right there, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Either way, I'll always tell you what I think.